From the moon in the sky since time. I'll be there. Once when I wait by the moon and the stars in the sky. Roselieta, stop bullying and trolling people, huh? Such a bad girl. Just a bad girl. Look at them. Look at them. They got big muscles. You're so small. Why are you going to chance and troll people? Look at them now. They're joining forces from last year. They're like Bolt is 5. I didn't know. I didn't know that was so hard. Oh my. God, I need a break.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
All by myself anymore. All by myself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna unbox my computer from last year. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go unboxing. And I'm gonna tell you what happened today. I was supposed just to go to fix some glasses, okay? Jaden, can you spot? I spot Victoria's Secret. What? Victoria's Secret. Chico's. Chico's. The place that I have to go is just close, like 10 miles, but I didn't know the address, so I went like 30 minutes far away, and then while going there I saw the Victoria's Secret, so we went in there and look. Jaden, do you like this? No, I like these. Warm and cozy. Yeah, 5 for 2. No, look at guys, that's not bad. 5 for $28. Huh? Look at the bird. Come on, lad. She look at guys. Okay guys, we will be opening this HP Chromebook 14 for work and play and play and play. So this is it. You know, I can understand some of it. Chrome OS, Intel Celeron, processors 3. Maybe some people know about this one. So here you go. That's what, oh, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, 1000 gigabytes, Google Drive, online cloud storage for 2 years. Then the best of Chrome OS, enjoy access all your favorite Android apps, immersive entertainment, enjoy crystal clear images and authentic audio with the full HD, wide viewing angle, touchscreen, dual speakers and audio by B&O Play, power through the day, 10 hours. Alright, let's go open. Okay, this is what's inside, guys. The box. These are the instructions. Then I think that's the warranty. Then we're not gonna throw this away just in case we have to return it. You know guys, they don't have another colors, so that's why they only have white. Okay, oh, the white is so clean, innocent, spotless. Okay, inside this one, what's this? Let's see what's this. Oh, that's why if you have question, this one you have to go to this one. Includes the charger. That's a charger. Then let's go open this one. Okay guys, this is what looks like HP Chromebook. Entertainment you want, power you need. So I guess this, you can use this for game stuff. Okay. Where's the... So guys, this is it. It won't turn on. So I guess I have to charge it. So that's only unboxing, guys. So I'm gonna charge this one and I'ma have to show you what's inside next time. Bye bye. Okay guys, that's it for my video for today and see you next time. Bye.